This is a pink handmade crochet flower bouquet, a thoughtful and creative alternative to traditional flowers. Each flower is carefully crocheted, giving the bouquet a soft, cozy feel and a unique handmade look. I really like that these flowers won't wilt or fade, so they can be enjoyed as a keepsake long after the gift is given. The pink color palette feels warm and elegant, making it a lovely choice for birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, or just as a sweet surprise. The bouquet comes nicely presented with a gift box bag and a card, which makes gifting simple and ready right out of the package. Because it's knitted rather than real flowers, it's easy to display anywhere, on a desk, shelf, nightstand, or dresser, without needing water or maintenance. It also works well for people who love handmade items or want something a little more personal and meaningful. If you're looking for a unique gift for her that feels heartfelt, decorative, and long-lasting, this crochet flower bouquet is a charming option that stands out from ordinary floral gifts.